Here we have the diverter style tub spout that we're going to replace with the non-diverter style. So use the Allen key provided with the new tub spout, loosen the set screw on the existing so you can remove that from the front side. Install the non-diverter style. Make sure to include the trim ring. So fully seat that on the nipple that is on the panel. Align properly and tighten set screw. This is going to be the wall union replacement. So loosen and remove the supply hose to the hand spray. Remove the decorative cover plastic. Use a channel locker equal to remove this from the front side of the panel. The wall union is threaded into an existing nut on the back of the panel, so unthread everything and remove it. You will begin to install the new wall union. So I'm just simply showing you how you install the plastic cover retaining. So make sure to use the new wall union and the new trim ring. Thread that into the existing nut. Tighten that fully down with the same channel locks are equal. So you want to rotate that clockwise so it is engaged fully. Position the escutcheon in the retaining tab and tighten the brass nut down. So now you can install the cover. The decorative cover will be installed now, along with the supply hose for the hand spray. So you're complete with this change.